guys and gals out there, this is RockinRaffi bringing you another edition of RockinRaffi's Home Cooking. It's December. Can you believe the end of the year is already here? Wow. You might be wondering why I'm dressed up like an elf. Well, there's no other reason other than it's the season. In today's episode, there's no elfing around, unlike those other elves who do nothing but sit on that shelf. And in today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a pomegranate apple cider Christmas sangria. The good part about the sangria is that you can make this the day before. Keep it in the refrigerator overnight, because the day of that Christmas party, let me tell you, you're going to be way too busy and you're going to be making the food and forgetting to drink. This recipe you can make with alcohol for the adults, and for the kids out there, you want to do it without. So without further ado, if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get this Christmas sangria on. Let's pour 3 cups of apple cider, 1 cup of pomegranate juice, and 1/4 cup of pomegranate molasses in a saucepan over medium heat until it steams up. You want to make sure you don't boil it. And that's all there is to it. All you have to worry about now is taking it out, pouring them in glasses, and serving them to your guests. And here it is, your Christmas pomegranate sangria. Oh, we got some guests. Hey guys, the door's open, come on in. The party is about to begin. Just a final touch to this drink. You can separate the sangria, if there's any kids, to let the kids have their non-alcoholic version, while the rest of us adults, we've got our brandy. Pour into a wine glass your favorite fruits. We're going to be using pomegranate, diced apples, and oranges for this occasion. Wow, take a look at that. It smells so good, it looks so good. Well, here we go. Oh yeah, this is definitely going to be a hit at your Christmas party. It's so smooth and so soothing. Let me tell you something. I don't drink much sangria, but I think I'm going to now. And while you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment down below. Let me hear your thoughts on this awesome pomegranate sangria. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and that bell. Don't forget to click that bell so that you're notified when my next video is uploaded. And until next time, keep on rocking!